Hello students, another important question and very simple question using rationalization. The given question is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 equal to a plus b root 3. Find the values of a and b. Find the values of a and b. Always write the unknown values on the left side. If you rewrite this expression, a plus b root 3 equal to this root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. As usual, denominator is a binomial, multiply and divide by conjugate of denominator. Clear? Now root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 conjugate of this is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So what is the denominator? So denominator is a square minus b square. Whenever if you multiply an expression and its conjugate, the final answer is always a square minus b square. And numerator, both are same expression, root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1, and hence this is root 3 minus 1 the whole square. Clear? Now this is root 3 and this is 1. So 3 minus 1. Clear? Now what is root 3 minus 1 whole square? So root 3 square 3, 1 square 1 minus 2 root 3, which is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. You can take 2 outside, 2 minus root 3 by 2, 2 to cancel. So what is the left side of a plus b root 3 equal to 2 minus root 3, 2 minus root 3. Comparing, so what is the integral part? A, this is integral part and this is the coefficient of irrational part. A equal to 2 and b equal to, and don't write root 3, coefficient of root 3. B is not the second term, b is the coefficient of the second term. What is the common factor? Root 3. Here it is b and there that is minus 1. So practice similar sum to get more marks. Also practice, instead of taking the single term expression, always practice two term expression. I will explain the two term expression problem in some other video. Thank you.